The Lehman Art Gallery hosted a workshop where parents and kids created their own puppets and shadow theater based on the work of Moses Ros.
We're making puppet theaters and puppets today at Lehman College Art Gallery based on the rotunda installation of Moses Ros, a Bronx-based artist of Dominican descent. And his works are about mythical creatures, and he has them suspended from the ceiling and throughout the rotunda space. So we thought that would be a great, really colorful, joyful exhibition, installation to have the children emulate.
Moses Ros is Dominican American and is highly influenced by the direct contact with Caribbean culture and New York City street culture. His creative sources are usually gathered from urban pop culture, graphic abstract symbolism, and his living memories. The kids showed their love through his work of art and had some very interesting pieces. I asked Deborah, why is it so important for children to know about art?
I think it really sparks their creativity and to understand that they can look at an artist's work in an exhibition and be inspired by that and make work in alignment with that and inspired by those artists' works.
The program is open for all ages 3 to 18, and families are all welcome. They even attend to special needs children and children with disabilities. To learn more about Lehman's Art Gallery events, you can visit their website at www.lehman.cuny.edu/events. Reporting for BronxNet, Shanel Thompson.